Hi everybody, my name is Peggy aka Peggypeg. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how I air dry my hair. So I know I always say that I dry my hair with a roller, like I do roller set, and I go under the hoodie dryer to dry my hair. That's because when I was younger, I don't know about you, but when I was younger, my mom was always telling me that relaxed hair cannot be air dried, or else it's gonna be it's gonna create mold and things like that. Like it's all gonna be like, let me search for the translation. Wait, all it was gonna be all rotten. I don't know if that's the right word, but yeah, that's what my mom used to tell me. And also like the hairdresser when I used to go to hair salon. So since I'm relaxed, like I always dried my hair with heat, like under a hooded dryer, so I never let it air dry. But recently I made some researches, so I went on YouTube, like, to know how to air dry relaxed hair, if it's good for relaxed hair and things like that. So I found out that it's actually like not bad, like it's okay to air dry your hair. So a couple of weeks back I did try it, and my hair actually turned out good. Like it was drying good. So I'm trying to do it again this time. Hopefully I'm gonna get like the same results. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it. All right, so I already shampooed, deep conditioned, did my hot oil treatment, detangled my hair in the shower, like all that stuff. So now I'm just gonna dry my hair now. So what I'm gonna do first is spray some water. I know you're like, you're gonna dry your hair, but spray some water first. Yes, I'm gonna spray some water first. So I'm just gonna put that everywhere on my hair. Then I'm gonna use this made in tail detangler. Like this thing detangles everything, like every knot and tangle that was left in your hair, it's gonna disappear after that. So I'm just spraying that everywhere on my hair. Then I'm gonna take my white tooth comb and detangle starting from the bottom, like really making sure that there is no knot, so that my hair can actually dry without any knots and tangles. Okay, so now I'm gonna spray my leave-in conditioner. So this is the one from Design Essentials. So just gonna spray that everywhere on my hair. And I'm gonna comb again just to be sure that I'm gonna distribute that everywhere on my hair. So that's seriously the only products that I'm gonna use. Like I'm not using any cream or gel or things like that. I'm very simple when it comes to my hair. That's also like the only two products that I use when I do my roller sets. So yeah. Now I'm just gonna place my hair the way I want it to dry. So I like to have my middle part and the rest of my hair like all in the back. Okay, so now that my hair is all smooth and in the direction I want it to dry, I'm just gonna spray a little bit more of leave-in conditioner, especially on the ends. And then I'm gonna take a satin scarf so that it can lay a little bit the front of my hair and my edges and some of my new growth. So yeah, I'm just gonna tie this scarf. And that's the back of my hair. So that's it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come back like to do some checkups. So right now it is 6 o'clock, 6:17. So I'm gonna come back maybe in an hour so that we can see the progress of my hair. Okay, so now it's 7 o'clock. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna remove that just to make it a little bit smaller so that the back of my hair can breathe a little. Hair is quite smooth, so I'm just gonna comb it a little bit. So it's starting to dry. Actually, it's drying like nicely, as you can see. Like it's not getting all puffy and things like that. Like it's staying quite straight. So I'm just gonna stop to touch it, and I'm gonna come back again for another update. Okay people, so today we are actually the day after I air dried my hair. So this is what my hair is looking like. So the ends are a little bit like curly, wavy, I don't know what to call that, just because last night when I went to sleep I did a big braid in the back, so that's why the ends are like that. But as you can see, like the top is actually like very sleek, but it's a little bit like more big and puffy than what I'm used to when I do my roller set technique when drying my hair like normally. But I still like the results, and it's still like very soft because of the tangles because of the leave-in conditioner that I used when I dried it. So yeah, I'm gonna leave in the description box some tips and tricks that I found like very helpful from people on YouTube and my own experience when air drying your hair. So I'll leave like these tips and tricks in the description box so you can go and look for it. And if you have other tips, you can leave it in the comment section so that we can all help each other. So yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe and to like and to share with all your friends. So yeah, I'll see you in another one. Bye.